Hello, guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel today. Thank you for tuning in for another exciting video that we are going to be getting into today. So, in today's video, we how to create CTR friendly and eye-catching SEO meta titles, as well as descriptions for any different page on your website. These small elements play a huge role in improving your click-through rate, so let's get it right together. As a website owner, whenever you publish a new page, you probably spend a lot of time thinking about what meta titles would best represent that page and what meta descriptions would be the most efficient. So if that sounds familiar, stick around. Even after all of that effort, you might not always feel completely satisfied with your final results. You might even be wondering if there's a better way to craft these important SEO elements. Well, here is the great news. There is actually an efficient way to use AI that can help you generate super helpful and eye-catching meta titles in no time. With AI, you can quickly generate multiple options and then choose the one that best fits your page, purpose, and tone. I'll walk you through a prompt that you can use to generate these meta titles and descriptions. I'll also show you a handy tool that lets you preview how the page will look with those meta titles once they're applied. This way, you can be sure you're on the right track. So let's take an example. Suppose that my target keyword here is places to visit in Paris because I'm running a travel business. Now, we want to create a meta title and description all around this keyword. Here's how I would approach it. First, I'd put in my keyword here, places to visit in Paris. Then I would type an engaging CTR friendly meta title. Then I would make sure to specify the ideal meta title length and ask for multiple variations of engaging CTR friendly SEO optimized meta titles that incorporate this keyword. It's also important to mention the length limit for meta titles as well, as this is something Google can penalize you for if you don't stick to the proper amount. The ideal character length for the title should be around 558 characters, and for the meta description, the limit is 990 characters. Now, let's check on these results. As you can see here, now let's put this in and we will check on the results. As you can see here, I've received 10 different variations, and if I need more, I can simply just request them. In this case, the keyword we're working with is places to visit in Paris. If you'd like, you can also specify that the meta title should have an informational tone to match the intent behind the keyword, or you can change it based on the keyword that you're searching for. Now, let's say that I'm creating a meta title for a commercial page instead. For this example, I'll use the keyword Paris Tour Packages instead. Here, all I have to do is change this to Paris Tour Packages instead of places to visit in Paris, and that's how I'm creating it for the commercial page instead. Now, I'll ask AI to generate 10 variations of SEO-friendly, CTR optimized meta titles. This time, therefore, a commercial page. It's very important to specify that so you know the proper tone is being used. Now we're just going to let AI work its magic and generate those options for us. As you can see, this process can work with any type of page, whether it's informational, transactional, or commercial. You can easily tailor your meta titles and descriptions for different pages. Next, we need to check that these meta titles that we've been given and the descriptions are actually a good fit for our pages. So now that we've chosen a meta title that we like, we are going to copy this and paste it in the Google search tool here. That way we can make sure it is the right length, and we'll do the same for the meta description as well. This will tell us if it's too long or too short, so that way we know what we need to change. Now that we can see the meta title is within the ideal length of 554 characters, and the meta description fits in the 990 character limit, we have been able to preview it as well to see what it looks like on our page. On mobile, it'll look like this. And then we can see it will look like this here on desktop. And that is it. That is how you can easily create an engaging CTR-friendly SEO optimized meta title and description, all with the help of AI. Plus, with this tool here, you can see how your page will look in the search results and make sure everything fits perfectly before uploading. And that is it. This is how you can easily create an engaging CTR-friendly SEO optimized meta titles and descriptions with the help of AI. Plus, with the previous tool here, you can see how your pages will look in the search results and make sure everything is perfect before uploading. I hope this video helped you understand how easy it can be to generate meta titles that are effective and great descriptions for your page. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video valuable, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!